I'm Thomas Hunt with the World Crypto Network, and here are today's Bitcoin headlines. Bitcoin price spikes above $7.1 thousand, liquidating $23 million on BitMEX. By Omkar Godbol, writing in CoinDesk. Bitcoin's price jumped close to $500 on Thursday, triggering liquidations worth millions on crypto derivatives exchange BitMEX. The top cryptocurrency by market value picked up a bid around $6,650, and it rose to a high of $7,145 in the 90 minutes between 8:30 UTC, according to CoinDesk's Bitcoin Price Index. The sudden move forced liquidations of futures worth $23 million on BitMEX, of which $10 million happened in the 60 minutes between 8 o'clock UTC and the remainder in the following 30 minutes, according to data provided by the crypto derivatives research firm Skew. Total liquidation seen over that time frame was significantly higher than the 3-day hourly liquidation average of 1.6 million. Sell liquidations occur when the market moves against long positions and breaches a predetermined limit, forcing BitMEX's liquidation engine to liquidate or sell long positions. Meanwhile, buy liquidations occur when prices move against short positions, forcing the liquidation engine to square off bearish bets. Bets on this market were bearish. While both long and short positions were liquidated, more than 93% of the total liquidations of the $23 million were of short position, a sign leverage was skewed to the downside. Bitcoin had dropped to lows below $6,500 during the early Asian trading hours, having faced multiple rejections above $7,000 over the last few days. Further, Asian equity markets were also flashing red at the time, tracking overnight losses on Wall Street. Hence, it's not surprising that a majority of positions on BitMEX lean to the bearish side. It's worth noting that a sudden and sizable price moves almost always lead to the forced unwinding of long or short positions, which in turn adds to the downward or upward pressure on prices. For instance, as Bitcoin fell below $6,000 during early U.S. trading hours on March 2nd, BitMEX squared off nearly $700 million worth of long positions. That likely exaggerated the bearish move, sending prices on to lows below $5,000. Tracking S&P 500 futures, Bitcoin continues to move roughly in tandem with futures tied to Wall Street's equity index, the S&P 500. The cryptocurrency fell from 6,900 to 6,600 during Wednesday's U.S. trading hours as the stock markets put in a negative performance on the back of a record drop in consumer spending, as represented by retail sales. Sentiment remained weak early on Thursday, with Asian markets tracking Wall Street lower. However, the S&P 500 futures erased losses and rose by 0.8% after European stocks opened on a positive note. Risk sentiment has reportedly stabilized due to world leaders taking steps to reopen economies hammered by the coronavirus outbreak. Bitcoin followed suit by printing highs above $7,100 and taking the month-to-date gains to 9.6%. At press time, the cryptocurrency is changing hands near $7,040, representing a 6% gain on the day. Hourly chart. Bitcoin's latest upward move is backed by strong volumes and looks to have legs. Notably, the $400 uptick to $7,000 was accompanied by the highest buying volume since April 2nd, according to Bitstamp data. The cryptocurrency, however, needs to print a strong hourly close above the top end of the descending channel. A breakout, if confirmed, would likely invite stronger chart-driven buying, leading to a retest of current highs near $7,500. The outlook would again turn bearish if Bitcoin finds acceptance under $6,695, the low of today's volume bullish candle. Bitcoin price spikes above $7.1 thousand, liquidating $23 million on BitMEX. This has been Bitcoin Headlines. My name is Thomas Hunt. Remember to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching the World Crypto Network.